morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Welsh, and I have my buddy Thomas here with me today, and we are gonna do some farm movement cards. I don't know about you guys, but we have been stuck in the house. We've been working hard, and sometimes you just need to get out some energy. So we're gonna help you to do that today. The first one is roll in the mud like a pig. Oh, good rolling. Okay. Graze like a cow. Good grazing. Charge like a goat. Glide like a goose. Leap like a frog. Waddle like a duck. Strut like a rooster.
Don't know what that means.
Strut, like a fancy walk. Strut, strut, strut. Good job. Pounce like a cat. Bounce like a bunny. Peck like a chicken. Gallop like a horse. Kick like a donkey. Scurry like a mouse. Run like a dog. Thanks for doing the farm movement cards with us today. See you soon.